Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
In your bucket, use the soap liquid to mix up a bucket of soapy water. At dusk, just before nightfall, pour the soapy water solution over the area you think is affected by lawn grubs, as well as any areas close by. If there are any lawn grubs, they will have come to the surface.
Let's help you make your mark.
Homemade lemon juice grub repellent spray. Many gardeners will use coffee grounds in their garden to give their garden an added boost of fertilizer, but be warned. This can end up attracting more grubs to your garden. Grub worms love to eat coffee grounds and will quickly take over your lawn and garden.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Applying Dawn dish soap smothers grub worms, and typically kills them quickly. To try, use 1 tablespoon Dawn in 1 quart water and spray the mixture on the affected areas of your lawn. Check after an hour or so to see if the grubs are still alive. If they are, spray the worms directly with the Dawn mixture.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Mix laundry detergent with water. Use only enough for the area you plan to pour it on. This mixture won't harm your lawn but will work to kill the lawn grubs. Simply pour the detergent mixture on your lawn and watch as the grubs rise to the surface.
Let's help you make your mark.
Carbaryl. To kill grubs in the spring or fall, use carbaryl or trichlorphon. Always wear rubber gloves and rubber boots when applying insecticides to turfgrass. Make sure to irrigate the lawn with at least 0.5 inches of water * and allow the grass to dry before allowing anyone or pets into the treated area.
Let's help you make your mark.
Dawn dish soap kills grub worms by smothering them until they die. The soapy solution covers the surface of the grubs and suffocates them. The grubs will die within a few minutes and the residual effect can last up to 24 hours if you are using an insecticidal soap in your homemade recipe.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Pro tip. If you want to make the DIY solution more potent, you can mix liquid dish soap with lemon and mouthwash and then spray it all over the lawn. It will act as a grub worm deterrent and killer without causing any damage to your grass. The right time to treat for grubs in the lawn is between spring and summer.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.